want to see how we get the ends too, the corners. Usually I would cut the corners so that way it was more of a better fit. But I don't have a knife or a scissors, nothing like that on me right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like this. Let's give it all that gooey stuff on there, you know.
Oh no, that's cool.
Watch yourself, don't breathe that stuff in. Should put like a book on top of it or something. Should grab it.
You what?
So to have some pressure on there, so that way when it seals, you know, like when you're doing. You ever worked on wood before?
No.
So like in carpentry, like when you're like you build, say for instance, I'm gonna build a frame, and then I'm putting my finished nails. I'm gonna put carpenter type glue, but in order to keep it tight, you know, so it doesn't crack on it, I would put like locks on both sides. Not like locks, but like clamps.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So instead, hold it down like this.